Falooda recipe. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where culinary delights are served with a touch of elegance and creativity. One of the most popular and refreshing desserts that Chef Mariam is known for is the Falooda. Falooda is a delicious and indulgent dessert that originates from the Indian subcontinent. It is a layered drink that is typically made with vermicelli, milk, ice cream, and a variety of toppings. Chef Mariam's Falooda recipe takes this classic dessert to the next level with her unique blend of flavors and ingredients. The base of Chef Mariam's Falooda recipe is a mixture of milk, rose syrup, and basil seeds, which adds a subtle yet refreshing taste to the drink. This base is then layered with vermicelli, ice cream, and chopped nuts, creating a beautiful and vibrant dessert. What makes Chef Mariam's Falooda recipe truly unique is her choice of toppings. She offers a variety of toppings that can be added to the dessert, such as fresh fruits, jelly, and even chocolate sauce. These toppings not only add an extra burst of flavor but also give the Falooda a beautiful and colorful appearance. Chef Mariam's Falooda is perfect for any occasion, from a casual get-together with friends to a formal dinner party. It is a versatile dessert that can be easily adapted to suit your tastes and preferences. Whether you like your Falooda sweet or slightly tangy, Chef Mariam's recipe can be customized to meet your individual needs. If you are looking for a refreshing and delicious dessert that will impress your guests, look no further than Chef Mariam's Falooda. With its unique blend of flavors and ingredients, it is sure to be a hit at any event. So why not give it a try and see for yourself why this dessert is a crowd pleaser? Introduction. 1. Falooda is a popular dessert that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is enjoyed across the world. 2. It is a cold and refreshing drink that is typically made with a base of milk, vermicelli, and rose syrup, along with various toppings like chopped nuts, fresh fruits, and ice cream. 3. The dessert has a unique texture and flavor, with the vermicelli providing a chewy texture and the rose syrup offering a subtle floral taste. 4. Falooda has many variations and can be customized to individual preferences, with different toppings and flavors added to suit personal tastes. 5. It is a popular dessert during the hot summer months and is often served at special occasions like weddings and festivals. Falooda recipe. Chef Mariam. Chef Mariam is a renowned chef known for her creative and delicious dishes. In her kitchen, she has experimented with many traditional recipes, including the popular dessert known as Falooda. Her unique take on the classic dessert has been well received by her customers and food critics alike. Today, we will be sharing Chef Mariam's special Falooda recipe that is sure to leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Ingredients. 2 cups of milk. 2 tablespoons of rosé syrup. 2 tablespoons of basil seeds. 1 cup of vermicelli. 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. 1 cup of chopped mixed nuts, almonds, pistachios, and cashews. 1 cup of fresh fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and mango. 1 cup of jelly, optional. 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, optional. Instructions. 1. Start by soaking the basil seeds in water for at least 30 minutes. 1. This will allow the seeds to swell up and form a gel-like consistency. 2. Boil the vermicelli in a pot of water for about 5 minutes until it becomes soft. 2. Drain the water and set the vermicelli aside to cool. 3. In a separate pot, heat the milk until it comes to a boil. 3. Add the rose syrup and stir well. 3. Turn off the heat and let the milk cool to room temperature. 4. Once the milk has cooled down, add the soaked basil seeds and mix well. 5. Take a tall glass and start layering the ingredients. 5. Begin by adding a layer of vermicelli at the bottom of the glass. 6. Next, add a layer of the milk and basil seed mixture. 6. Then, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of the milk mixture. 7. Add a layer of chopped mixed nuts, followed by a layer of fresh fruits. 8. If you prefer, you can also add a layer of jelly on top of the fruit layer. 9. Finish off with a drizzle of chocolate syrup on top. 10. Serve chilled and enjoy your delicious and refreshing Falooda. Chef Mariam's special Falooda recipe is perfect for a hot summer day or a special occasion. The combination of vermicelli, milk, and rose syrup, along with the various toppings, creates a unique and delicious dessert that is sure to impress. The basil seeds add a subtle yet refreshing taste to the drink, while the mixed nuts and fresh fruits add a burst of flavor and texture. The vanilla ice cream adds a creamy and decadent touch to the dessert, making it even more enjoyable. Chef Mariam's Falooda recipe is not only delicious but also easy to make. With a few simple ingredients and a little bit of patience, you can create this amazing dessert in the comfort of your own kitchen. So why not give it a try and see for yourself why Chef Mariam's Falooda is a favorite among food lovers everywhere. Falooda Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam's special Falooda recipe is a unique take on the classic dessert that incorporates her own twist and creativity. She uses a combination of traditional ingredients like vermicelli, rose syrup, and milk, along with a variety of toppings like mixed nuts, fresh fruits, and vanilla ice cream to create a delicious and refreshing dessert. One of the key elements that set Chef Mariam's Falooda apart from the rest is the use of basil seeds. These seeds, also known as sabja seeds, are soaked in water to form a gel-like consistency, which is then added to the milk and rose syrup mixture. The basil seeds add a subtle yet refreshing taste to the dessert and also have many health benefits, including aiding digestion and reducing stress. In addition to the basil seeds, Chef Mariam also uses a variety of toppings to add flavor and texture to her Falooda. Chopped mixed nuts like almonds, pistachios, and cashews provide a crunchy and nutty flavor, while fresh fruits like strawberries, kiwi, and mango add a burst of sweetness and freshness. The addition of vanilla ice cream adds a creamy and indulgent touch to the dessert, making it even more enjoyable. Chef Mariam's special Falooda recipe is not only delicious but also easy to make. With a few simple ingredients and some basic cooking skills, you can create this amazing dessert in the comfort of your own kitchen. The recipe can be customized to suit individual preferences, with different toppings and flavors added to suit personal tastes. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's special Falooda recipe is a perfect blend of traditional and modern flavors that is sure to leave your taste buds dancing with joy. The use of basil seeds, mixed nuts, fresh fruits, and vanilla ice cream adds a unique and delicious touch to the classic dessert. So why not give it a try and enjoy the refreshing and satisfying taste of Chef Mariam's Falooda today?